All students should have the same opportunity to be successful throughout their college years. Yet, when DFWI, or course completion rates, are reviewed by race and income, the gaps are stark. Course Gateway is here to help academic decision makers find equitable solutions to help all students. Course Gateway is a free tool built to help academic leaders make informed decisions about digital learning products, maximizing students' learning, and increasing completion rates in the Gateway courses that are required for degree completion. Course Gateway is fast and easy to use, allowing users to quickly search for and read courseware reviews and compare courseware products. Each courseware product is fully reviewed by members of an independent product advisory board, selected for their depth of experience across a diverse set of institutional settings. Focused on diversity, equity, and inclusion, Course Gateway can help your institution maintain strong retention and graduation rates. Course Gateway is comprehensive. Our platform covers 12 disciplines associated with the 20 highest enrollment introductory level undergraduate courses in the United States. And best of all, it's free. So together, we can help remove the barriers to success. Start your search and be a difference maker today.